Hey everyone! Welcome to this video. Today, I'll be walking you through a simple but powerful calculator program written in assembly language. This program will take two numbers from the user, performs a selected operation, like addition or subtraction, displays the result on screen, and also saves the calculation in a file so the user can view the history later. Now we will discuss data segment. The .data section contains all variables and messages used by the program. num1, num2, and result, for storing user inputs and output. Prompt1, prompt2, prompt3, display prompts to the user. Filename, holds the file name where history is stored. History buffer, temporary space for formatted result string. File handle, used when working with files. Operation, holds the symbol like plus, dash, asterisk, or /. Now let me explain the main procedure. The main procedure is the entry point of the program. First, it initializes the data segment. Then it shows a menu to the user, add, subtract, etc. If the user presses 6, the program exits. If the user presses 5, it displays the history. Otherwise, it takes two numbers and jumps to the selected operation. Proper labels are used to navigate to the correct operation block. After doing this, the user enters two numbers using the readnum procedure. Based on the selected option, the program jumps to the relevant label. Add numbers. Subtract numbers. Multiply numbers. Divide numbers. The result is stored in the result variable, and the symbol is saved in operation. After performing the calculation, the program calls Save History to save the calculation in the file. Then, it calls Print Result to display the result on the screen. The result is shown using the printnum procedure. Let's talk about how Save History works. This function Save History stores the current calculation in a readable format. First, it uses integer to string to convert the two numbers and result into strings. For example, formatting them like 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 and stores it in history buffer. The file.txt is opened or created if it doesn't exist. The formatted line is appended to the end of the file. Finally, the file is closed. If the user chooses option 5, the program opens file.txt, reads its contents into history buffer, and prints each character to the screen. You can say it as displaying history. If the file doesn't exist, it shows the message no history available. Now let's briefly talk about the supporting procedures. Readnum, it takes numeric input from the user and converts it to a value stored in BX. Printnum, converts a number into characters and displays it on the screen. Integer to string, converts a number into ASCII characters and stores them in a buffer, used for saving to the file. These helpers handle all input and output conversions. So overall, this is an interactive calculator in assembly language that takes input from the user, performs a calculation, shows the result and saves the history in a text file. This project includes file handling, arithmetic, and string processing, all done in low-level assembly code.